So in this Freecash tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to verify your email address here on Freecash. So once Freecash is opened up, I want you to go to the main screen here, go to the top left and select on your profile picture, or in my case, the letter B. Once you're here under profile, select the green gear icon. Then once you're on this page right here, go down to the bottom to where it says email address. Now, you can go ahead and press resend verification email if you want to go ahead and verify your email address that way. Or if you wanted to edit your email address, go to the little pencil here, type in your email, then press on the green verify email button to proceed and then verify your email address. Go into your emails, verify it, and then you're all good to go. From there. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to verify your email address here on Freecash. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.